Hey guys, right now it's raining due to bad weather. Yes, it's raining in our town, in Barangay Wawa, City. Yes, because it's raining right now. Sorry, I took the 640 480 video recording on my phone. So, just a second. It turned out that I have my SD video recording for sure. So I'm gonna get the Samsung Galaxy S9. We like purple, 64 gigabytes on Christmas. Yes, so I can record in 4K video. Now I'm going to get the My Phone T3 tablet when my coin bank is full. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.